guys, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited today because I got my very first Sephora Play Box and I am anxious to see what is inside. First is this little card. It says Step It Up, April 2017. And it says, still trying to take your beauty to the next level. Bring this Play Pass into your local Sephora for a free one-on-one tutorial that is all about planning your personal best beauty routine. Cool. Let's see what's in here. We have a cute little bag with a princess on it. And it says, the best things in life are me. Okay, what's this? We have Kate Somerville Exfoliate. I've never tried this. I've seen it. I've never purchased it before. Intensive Exfoliator. Jeez. It's green. Ooh. Ooh, it smells really good too. Huh. Cool. Okay. Next. Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic I can't talk. Cloud Cream. This is hydration. Okay, that's good. This reminds me of that, what is it? The Dr. Jart Water Drop Moisturizer. I think it's probably pretty close to the same thing. And we have Sephora Super Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. You can always use that. And my favorite, this is one of my all-time favorite perfumes, Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I love it. Okay, and we have, one of my favorite primers, the Photo Finish by Smashbox. Definitely use that. And I think there's one more thing in here, and it is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Crayon Waterproof Extra Long Lasting Eye Pencil. Awesome. I love Makeup Forever. I don't think I've used a product from them that I didn't like. Oops. Oh, that's nice and rich in pigment. Well, I'm a little surprised overall that there weren't more cosmetics in this bag. There's a lot of skincare products, which is good. But I'm just surprised. I thought there might be a lip gloss, but I'm used to getting boxes from Birchbox and Ipsy, which is mostly like lipsticks, lip glosses, and eyeliners. So it's nice. I'm pretty happy overall with the skincare because I do like to take care of my skin, and everything in here is something I will definitely use. I think every single piece in this box, for once, I'm going to use everything. So that makes me pretty happy, and so far my Sephora Play Box is pretty cool, and I'm happy I signed up so far. Well, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, I hope you subscribe and like, and I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.